For preventing and tackling cancer, what you should do? Cancer is something we all dread in our lives, but as the old adage goes, knowledge is power, so it's better to inform yourself than bury your head in the sand should you ever have to face such a serious battle. To start off, let's look at some of the facts associated with the disease. 10 key facts about cancer. 1. Every person has cancer cells in their body. These cancer cells do not show up in the standard tests until they have multiplied to a few billion. When a doctor informs a patient that they have no more cancer cells in their body, it means that there are none of a detectable size. 2. Cancer cells occur between 6 to more than 10 times in a person's lifetime. 3. When the person's immune system is strong, cancer cells will be destroyed and prevented from multiplying and forming tumors. 4. When a person is diagnosed with cancer, it indicates that the person has nutritional deficiencies. This could be due to genetics, as well as environmental, food and lifestyle factors. 5. Chemotherapy involves poisoning cancer cells, however healthy cells can also be affected. One of the big downsides is that the treatment can cause organ damage. 6. The radiation associated with chemotherapy can also cause burns and scarring, as well as damage to healthy cells, tissues, and organs. 7. Initial treatment with chemotherapy and radiation will often reduce tumor size. Prolonged use of chemotherapy and radiation do not tend to result in more tumor destruction. 8. When the body's toxicity becomes too high due to chemotherapy and radiation, the immune system can become severely compromised, or even be destroyed. This leads to other infections and complications. 9. Chemotherapy and radiation can cause cancer cells to mutate and become resistant and difficult to destroy. Surgery can also cause cancer cells to spread to other sites. 10. An effective way to battle cancer is to starve the cancer cells by not feeding them with the foods they need to multiply. Lifestyle changes you can make to prevent cancer. 1. Forget about sugar substitutes. These usually contain aspartame, which is harmful to the body. Great natural alternatives include very small amounts of manuka honey or molasses. 2. Replace regular milk with unsweetened soy milk. Milk consumption makes the body produce mucus, which cancer cells feed on. Cancer cells can be starved when switching to soy milk. 3. Replace your red meat intake with white meat and fish. A meat-based diet is acidic, so it's best to eat fish and white meat instead. Cancer thrives in an acidic environment. 4. Ensure that 80% of your diet consists of fresh vegetables and juice, whole grains, seeds, nuts and a little fruit. This will help to create an alkaline environment in the body. 5. The remaining 20% of your diet can be cooked food. 6. Beverages with high caffeine content should be avoided. Drink green tea instead of coffee, tea or hot chocolate. It has cancer-fighting properties. 7. Drink purified water. This will help you avoid heavy metals and toxins contained in tap water. A handy way of making water alkaline is to squeeze fresh lemons into it. 8. Take supplements to build up your immune system. Supplements such as IP6, fluorescence and ESIAC, together with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, enable the body's own killer cells to destroy cancer cells. Taking vitamin E supplements, for instance, causes apoptosis, or programmed cell death, which is the body's method of getting rid of damaged or unneeded cells. 9. Cancer is a disease of mind, body, and spirit, and it must be fought accordingly. Proactivity and positivity are crucial for preventing and surviving cancer. Anger, bitterness, and resentment make the body more acidic, which allows cancer to thrive. Do your best to be in the best state of mind you possibly can. 10. Make sure your body is full of oxygen. Oxygenate your body by exercising daily and breathing deeply. This will allow you to get oxygen all the way down to the cellular level, helping to destroy cancer cells. Microwave no-nos that can cause cancer. 1. Putting plastic containers in the microwave. The combination of fat, high heat, and plastics releases dioxins, which are poisonous, cancer-causing chemicals, into the food and ultimately into the cells of the body. Glass or ceramic containers are much better alternatives. 2. Putting water bottles in the freezer. Freezing plastic bottles with water inside of them releases dioxins from the plastic into the water. 3. Microwaving something covered in plastic wrap. Plastic wrap, such as saran, is just as dangerous when placed over foods cooked in the microwave. As the food is nuked, the high heat causes poisonous toxins to actually melt out of the plastic wrap and drip into the food. Cover food with a paper towel instead. Purple potatoes have cancer-fighting abilities. Some of you may not have heard of purple potatoes, but now's the time to get acquainted because a study conducted at the Penn State Hershey Research Institute in Pennsylvania found that this root has many powerful components shown to be effective in treating cancer. Although the study has now chosen to focus on colon cancer, the researchers believe the findings promise positive results for treatments on its other forms. So what have researchers actually revealed about this colorful potato? What other health benefits are there? And what else do we need to know about the purple wonder that has long occupied Latin American cuisine? Purple potatoes grow widely in Peru and Bolivia and are quite popular in the South American kitchen. Now, it seems that we should also add this strange vegetable to our daily diet because beyond the deep purple color that only adds to every dish, recent studies have shown that it has the potential to be a natural and perfect answer to the problem of cancer treatment. Already in the initial study, positive findings have shown that extracts from the purple potato suppress the spread of cancer cells in the colon. The researchers were not satisfied with their initial findings and decided to repeat the study again with laboratory mice, which confirmed their positive hypotheses through identical results. Jairam Vanamala, one of the scientists who led the study in the simple comparison, explained the shocking news. You may cut the weed, but as long as the roots are still there, the weeds will keep growing backhand. Likewise, if the cancer stem cells are still present, the cancer can still grow and spread. The explanation for this ability described by Jairam is linked to the fact that this potato strain is rich in anthocyanins, a pigment that gives the vegetable its dark purple color, which acts as a powerful antioxidant against cancer. This pigment is joined by a resistant starch, another component found in very high quantities and is also considered to be an active anti-cancer substance. The combination of the two, according to the scientists, led to the amazing results of the experiment, and turned the purple potato into a natural drug with unequivocal effects on the disease. So what are purple potatoes? They do look odd, but don't worry, purple potatoes, also known as violettes, can be a great addition to a wide variety of dishes. These potatoes are slightly smaller than regular potatoes, but their taste isn't very different from them. In the South American kitchen, it is customary to boil, bake and roast the purple potatoes, and turn them into mashed potatoes, French fries and a variety of dishes that aren't any different from the recipes we are already familiar with. Additional health benefits. In addition to the new discovery of their ability to protect the body against cancer cells, purple potatoes are associated with a number of other health benefits that can make them an excellent addition to our daily diet. A purple potato is rich in potassium, an essential mineral for the human body known to help regulate blood pressure. In a study conducted by the U.S. Department of Agriculture among overweight and high blood pressure participants, those who consumed between 6 and 8 purple potatoes a day had positive results with their blood pressure dropping by an average of 4%. Beyond their cancer-fighting abilities, the antioxidants found in the purple potato are also known for strengthening the immune system and preventing cardiovascular disease. Purple potatoes are an excellent source of dietary fibers that help the digestive system function properly and are especially effective in treating constipation. The caloric value of 3 purple potatoes that make up a satisfying portion is 131 calories, 0 fat and 0 cholesterol, which makes them an excellent diet staple. As studies in the field intensify, it seems that the fight against cancer is making its way, in a slow and gradual process, from the pharmacy straight to the plate. This recipe is one you should definitely be aware of. Garlic and honey have both been used as a food source and a medicine since ancient times, and many ancient cultures firmly believed in their ability to heal illness. For instance, the ancient Egyptians believed that garlic helped to increase strength and productivity, improve circulation and get rid of insect infestations, while the ancient Greeks believed that garlic enhanced their courage and protected their skin against poisons. With regards to honey, the ancient Egyptians, Greeks and Romans believed that honey helps heal wounds faster and overcome cardiovascular and gastrointestinal problems. What's more, the ancients have been proven completely correct. Combining garlic with honey gives you a natural cure to strengthen your immune system and keep your body healthy. Find out how to combine the two below. Scientific health benefits of garlic. Scientists have carried out extensive studies on this plant and they have found it to be a superfood. Garlic prevents atherosclerosis, heart attacks and coronary heart disease, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure levels, heals bug bites and traveler's diarrhea, reduces cold symptoms, hay fever and helps treat fungal infection, eliminates toxins, strengthens immunity. It has also been known to alleviate the symptoms of an enlarged prostate, diabetes, osteoarthritis. Furthermore, when garlic is combined with onion and ginger, it has the ability to detoxify the body after a chemotherapy session. Scientific health benefits of honey. Honey, just like garlic, is a superfood. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties and therefore can be used to help heal burns and wounds. To add to this, it can help with digestive system problems, alleviates the pain of hangovers and sore throats, is an energy booster, boosts the immune system, helps moisturize and keep skin smooth, is rich in cancer-fighting antioxidants, can ease stress and improve sleep. Garlic and honey recipe to boost your immune system. If you are feeling unwell, a spoonful of this mixture will help you feel a lot better. To strengthen your immune system, take 1 spoonful each morning before eating or drinking. If your stomach is not empty, your body will not absorb all the vital nutrients. Ingredients: 3 to 4 heads of garlic, a cup of raw honey, a small jar with a lid. Directions: 1. Separate the heads into single cloves. 2. Take the outer layer off the cloves, don't peel completely though. 3. Add the garlic cloves to the jar. 4. Pour the honey over the cloves. 5. Use a spoon to release any trapped air. 6. Make sure the cloves are fully covered and place the lid on the jar. 7. Leave the mixture in the fridge or at room temperature for a few days. 8. Eat and feel better. N. B. You can add herbs or lemon juice for some additional taste.